Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make French toast Indian style. This delightful savory version, often known as masala French toast or Bombay toast, is a beloved breakfast or snack across India. It transforms the classic dish with a vibrant, spiced egg batter and fresh vegetables, creating a truly unique and flavorful experience. The best part is, it is incredibly quick to prepare, usually ready in about 15 to 20 minutes, making it perfect for busy mornings or a quick evening bite. To begin, gather your ingredients for this flavorful dish. You will need 4 large eggs and about 1/4 cup of milk to create the rich base batter. For the bread, 4 slices of white or whole wheat bread work best. Using bread that is 1 or 2 days old helps prevent it from becoming too soggy. For the signature Indian flavor, finely chop 1/3 cup of onion, 2 tablespoons of fresh cilantro, and 1 green chili. Season the batter with 1/2 teaspoon each of turmeric powder, coriander powder, and salt, along with black pepper to your liking. Now let us prepare the flavorful batter that makes this French toast so special. In a wide, shallow bowl, whisk together your 4 eggs, 1/4 cup of milk, and all the dry spices, turmeric, coriander, salt, and black pepper, until they are thoroughly combined. Next, stir in the finely chopped onions, green chilies, and cilantro, ensuring these fresh ingredients are evenly distributed. For a nice presentation and easier cooking, you can optionally cut your 4 bread slices into triangles before dipping them. Finally, it is time to cook and enjoy your delicious Indian-style French toast. Heat 1 tablespoon of butter and 1 tablespoon of oil in a non-stick pan over medium-low heat. Take each bread slice and dip it into the prepared batter, ensuring both sides are well coated but not overly saturated. Carefully place the dipped bread in the hot pan and cook for about 2 to 4 minutes per side, until it turns a beautiful golden brown and becomes slightly crispy. Serve your warm, savory French toast immediately, perhaps with a side of ketchup or a zesty green chutney.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.